Sure, if it would continue the stream. Let me check if it continued the stream. Okay, it started a new stream. That actually sucks. It started a new stream. Ah, my other stream broke. You should not run VMs. You should not run VMs half your, I guess, processor and half your RAM. Can you run 8, if you have 8 gig RAM, if you have 8, actually let's just ask ChatGPT. Let's just ask ChatGPT. If you have a 16 gig RAM and 8 cores, is what is the recommended allocation to VM virtual box to virtual VM in VirtualBox? Okay, okay. I'm I'm also running consider the situation where I'm also running OBS and streaming on Twitch while running the on host machine. But at the same time, I want to play Minecraft education on guest machine on a Windows and guest machine. Oh, look at pushing this. Okay, so I can allocate 8 gig RAM, but I'm not supposed to allocate the rest. Fair enough, fair enough. I think that's okay. That's okay, right? Okay. That's fair enough. So let's go back to VirtualBox, I guess. Where is VirtualBox? VirtualBox. Where you at? So it's okay. But so 8 gig RAM is okay. 2 gig at 2 gig 2 processors. Let's try this. Let's try this. Okay. The last time I tried something like this, the stream crashed. Uh Anyways, let's just try. Okay, now the RAM again. I cannot so much. Maybe it's just Chrome. Okay, Chrome just shut down. So Chrome is CPU intensive, I guess. That's why it shut down. I mean CPU. I mean RAM extensive. Okay, but at least I can do this now. I guess I'll turn off my other screen for now. And if it still doesn't work, if it's not smooth enough, then I'll just reject the offer. I'll just reject the offer. So I have 8 gig of RAM, but I can't. Thankfully, Twitch is not that. I mean, OBS is not that RAM intensive. I guess Chrome is RAM intensive, which kind of sucks. I'm stuck with this for now. Who cares, man? I guess I'll just add like my Sublime on the other screen, right? Because at least Sublime is not RAM intensive. And then I'll just change this to Sublime. The lag is real. The lag is real. So I'm using 8 gig RAM. Why is it not playing? Tell me. 100% CPU because it's 2 cores only. Disable, disable. Let's also disable this. Only have 2 CPUs, so like, yeah, can't really complain. It's not lagging as much, but 2 cores. 2 cores is too low, I guess. Oh wait, I'm not even sharing my screen. I forgot to share the screen. There. There, now you see it. And just do not below the... Actually, I guess I'll stream for like maybe up to 2 a.m. So maybe just 1 hour left. I want to sleep, man. But I have to also do this thing. If it's still not, I guess, good enough, then I'll reject the offer. I'll tell them that I just cannot run. I tried it running VM via virtual machine, VirtualBox, and I was able to do it, but I guess Minecraft just consumes too much resources, and I can't really allocate too much, or else my host machine will will not work. It'll just get bricked. So yeah, the thing about running VMs is that you have to balance it out, right? You have to balance how much you're willing to allocate the with resources for like the gas machine, right? And you can't really allocate too much. Let's see. This is 8 gig RAM. It's still lagging. I don't like that it's lagging. There's a lot of delay. I don't, yeah, I'm not a fan of the fact that there's a lot of delay. Please chat and then demo. Okay. There. Okay, it works. It works. I see the cat dropped. It's the 100% CPU that's I guess causing most of the lag. You can see I only consumed 34% of the memory, so RAM is not the problem. The problem is CPU. But I can't really give too much CPU because I'm streaming right now. I mean, just chat the demo. What? Okay, it works. Okay, I guess that's it. Now that end the stream. I'll just I guess show this video that I actually streamed it and stuff. So meaning I can do it. I mean, it's very similar to Scratch. If you know Scratch, this thing is easy. It's very straightforward. The problem I have is, I mean, again, the problem is not that it's hard or, I mean, it's a great platform, right? I like it. The problem I have with it is that it doesn't have support for Linux, so I have to create a virtual machine of it using VirtualBox just to run Windows 10 on my machine, which because of that I can't really. I only have 8 cores and 16 gig of RAM, and I can't give too much to the guest machine. But in order for, I guess, Minecraft education to run smoothly, you need to have a lot of resources. Like I tried two cores, right? Two processors and then 8 GB, so half the RAM that I have. Okay, it worked. It did not break my PC. But when I tried 4 cores, right? 4 cores, 4 processors, and 8 GB of RAM, because if you can see the task manager, it's consuming a lot of CPU, right? It's consuming a lot of CPU. It doesn't even run task manager. I have 8 GB RAM. What the hell? Yeah. So it needs more CPU, right? It needs more processors. But when I gave it 4, it bricked my host PC. My host PC, so I can't really give it 4. So I guess if they're going to push for this, right? If they're going to push for Minecraft and they're not planning and if they're not willing to, I guess, send me an equipment like a Windows machine, right? If they're not willing to send me a Windows machine, then I would just reject the offer. Yeah, I guess that what it would require me to accept the offer is that they should send me a machine, a Windows machine, right? And I'd be willing to work on this. But for now, since I'm using a Linux machine, I'm just going to remove VirtualBox, remove Windows 10 because it consumes too much space. uh, okay, that's all for me. And I'm going to end the stream now. Bye bye. I have to rest because my allergies. I'm so sorry. Like the previous stream and today's stream. But my allergies are like, it's terrible, terrible. I think I need to take some meds and then I'll sleep. Okay, bye bye. See you next week.